Alright guys, here's a quick demonstration of a bee vacuum based on an idea that I got off another YouTube video. This one I did actually make a few modifications on there that I thought would make it a little bit safer to actually capture the bees and make it safer for actual transport. Basically all you need is just a regular shop vac, a 5-gallon bucket, a 5-gallon tackle box, 5-gallon bucket tackle box lid, and another section of shop vac hose. To the lid, take a 2.5-inch circular bit, drill a hole in there, and use some epoxy or JB Weld to glue in a section of 2.5-inch shop vac extension. On the other side, 1.5-inch circular bit to drill the hole in at the top, and epoxy another section of 1.5-inch shop vac extension that's cut to fit to a corner of the base of that half of the tackle box. On the other half, cut the hole open. Use either a liquid nail or silicone to adhere a section of just regular window screen. This way that when you do actually start vacuuming, the airflow won't be so much that it's actually going to pin the bees up here and possibly hurt them. In this section, I did cut slats into it so that the airflow could be made. For the actual hose that will be sucking up the bees was a 2.5-inch 8-foot hose. I did go with the handled shop vac extension or attachment, mainly because it does have a regulator on it. So if when vacuuming, if the force is so much that it's causing harm to the bees, you can open this up to decrease the airflow. There's also a reducer that can fit on the end of it, and you can attach extensions to it so that you can actually get to bees that might be either on a branch or in a wall void or something like that. Basically how it works, take that, put it in there, make sure you put it on, shop vac hose in there. Once the bees are actually captured inside the container, the way I had mine, a baseball fits in there perfectly. So you just detach the hose, put the ball into place, lock that up. That way the bees are actually confined into the bucket. Remove your shop vac. You can open this up because the screen is in place. You can actually get some ventilation in there for them. And on the side of the bucket, what I did was I drilled several dozen holes into a couple of different parts of the bucket, and that way when after you're done capturing them, you can open this up to allow for a little bit more ventilation. I did use duct tape to cover over the holes just to make sure that you had that airtight seal to get the airflow, and I put a section of paper in the middle just so that when you are removing the duct tape, if there are any bee legs or antennae that are poking out the side of the bucket, you're not going to be yanking those off. Then, once you get to the site with where the hive is actually located at, you can remove the top and shake the bees out.